Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 4 for the subject of computers. Topic data and information, which is covered in chapter 1 starting on page number 6 of your textbook titled KIPS Logics 4 and is being submitted to you on 5th of April year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. All the students may now please open page number 6 in front of them. I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. So let us start with the topic. All the students please listen carefully. Data and information. Students, all of you know that computer is a machine and cannot work on its own. Like you do your work with the help of your brain in your day-to-day life. In the same way, computer works with CPU, that is, the brain of the computer. In this class, you are going to learn about how computer works as a storage and memory device. We enter data into the computer in the form of certain set of characters and instructions to make a computer work. These set of characters include alphabets A to Z, digits 0 to 9 or special characters plus, minus, multiply, dollar, hash, etc. that represent facts or figures. These set of instructions given to the computer is known as data. When computer works on this data with the help of its brain, that is CPU, then the processed data is known as information. Students, with the help of given example, you will be able to learn the concept of data and instructions. Example 1. Cloth, raw material. Then stitching, processing by machine. Then dress is ready is information. Example 2. 25, 37, 45, 35 and 40 are marks of a student is regarded as data. Then finding highest to lowest with the help of CPU is known as processing. And in last, 45, 40, 37, 35, 25 is the result as information. Students, now you will learn about more things related to data and information with the help of other topics of this chapter. The next topic is data storage units. Students, as you know that computer understands only machine code, that is in the form of two states 0 and 1. 0 means off state and 1 means on state. These two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. Whatever work you do in your computer is stored in the form of bits and is measured in bytes. There are different memory size as shown here and as well as in the book also on page number 7. Memory size. Number 1, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 011 01111 is equal to 1 byte, the smallest storage size. All are in the form of 0 and 1, as computer understand only zeros and ones. Number 2, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte or 1 KB. Number 3, 1024 KB is equal to 1 megabyte or 1 MB. Number 4, 1024 MB is equal to 1 gigabyte or 1 GB. Number 5, 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte or 1 TB. Number 6, 1024 TB is equal to 1 petabyte or 1 PB. Number 7, 1024 PB is equal to 1 hexabyte or 1 EB. Number 8, 1024 EB is equal to 1 zettabyte or 1 ZB. And number 9, 1024 ZB is equal to 1 zotabyte or 1 YB. Student, all of you may now take 3 minutes break. During break time, you will learn the memory size table and write in your notebook. Now, pause this lesson for 3 minutes. Students, let us continue with the next topic present in your book on page number 7, and the topic is types of memory. Students, all of you know that whatever data we store in the computer, it will be stored in the memory of a computer. Every computer has a certain amount of memory. We can store data in the computer either temporarily or permanently. Computer memory is divided into 2 types. Memory. Number 1, internal memory or primary memory, which is further divided into 2 parts, RAM and ROM. Number 2, external memory or secondary memory, which is used as hard disk, CD or DVD, flash drive, etc. Children, now I am ending the lesson here. Please read and listen to the lesson carefully.